Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure your affiliate strategy with Bluehost, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by signing into your Bluehost account. Navigate to the Marketplace section on your Bluehost dashboard. Scroll down to find the affiliate option and click on it. Once in the affiliate section, review the program details and benefits. Click on the Join Now button to start the application process. Fill out the required information in the application form. Make sure to provide accurate details about your website and promotional strategies. Review the terms and conditions before submitting your application. Wait for a confirmation email regarding your application status. Once approved, log back into your Bluehost account. Access the affiliate dashboard where you can track your earnings. Familiarize yourself with the available marketing materials and banners. Select the banners or links that align with your website's theme. Copy your unique affiliate link provided in the dashboard. Start integrating your affiliate links into blog posts or website content. Ensure that you create high-quality, informative content that adds value. Promote Bluehost through social media and email marketing campaigns. Monitor your performance regularly using the affiliate dashboard insights. Adjust your strategies based on what generates the most engagement. Engage with your audience to build trust and credibility. Continue to refine your approach to maximize your affiliate commissions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.